CS50 Cybersecurity Final Project. Hello, my name is Abiha and I'm located in Pakistan, Karachi. My edX username is Abiha9 and my GitHub username is AbihaShraf7271. Today's recording date is 22nd October 2025. The topic I've chosen for my final project is Snowflake data breach, which occurred between May and June 2024. This incident is particularly interesting to me because it highlights how simple authentication failures, like not enforcing multi-factor authentication, can lead to massive data exposure, even when the platform itself is secure. It directly connects to our course topics on authentication, credential management, and cloud security. Welcome everyone. Today I will be sharing some fascinating insights into the world of cybersecurity. Join me on this as we explore Snowflake data breaches attack. Let's dive in. Overview of this incident. In this breach, attackers gained unauthorized access to Snowflake's customer account, affecting major companies such as LinkedIn, Ticketmaster, and Santander Bank. The key point here is that the attackers did not hack Snowflake's infrastructure directly. Instead, they used stolen credentials belonging to customer accounts that did not have multi-factor authentication enabled. As a result, the attackers were able to download large databases from several customers' environments, exposing millions of records. About Snowflakes. To provide context, Snowflakes is a cloud-based data warehousing platform used by many large enterprises to store, manage, and analyze massive amounts of structured and unstructured data. It's a software as a service (SaaS) platform that runs on cloud providers such as AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Its popularity stems from its scalability, performance, and data sharing capabilities, which unfortunately also made it as an appealing target for attackers once credentials were compromised. How did the breach happen? So, how did this happen? Security researchers discovered that attackers obtained login credentials stolen by information stealing malware from infected computers belonging to Snowflake's customers. Many of these credentials were saved in browser or stored in plain text. Since several customers' accounts did not have MFA enabled, attackers could log in successfully using only stolen username and password. Once inside, they extra-filtered data directly from Snowflake's environment. Importantly, Snowflake's core platforms remained uncompromised, meaning the vulnerability lay in customer-side configuration, not Snowflake's own system. Technical breakdown. Here's a more technical breakdown of the attack chain. Number 1. Attack vector. Credential theft through enforced-stealer malware. Number 2. Weakness exploited. Lack of enforced MFA on Snowflake's customer account. Number 3. Target. Snowflake's customer environment that stores sensitive data sets. Number 4. Impact. Unauthorized access, data theft, and public leaks of company information. Essentially, attackers authenticated using legitimate credentials by passing most traditional detection systems because to the server they appear to be real users. Detection and response. When the unusual activity was detected, Snowflakes partnered with Mandiant and CrowdStrike to investigate the scope of the attack. They found no signs that Snowflake's production system were breached. Instead, they confirmed that attackers used valid credentials obtained from previous malware infections. In response, Snowflake and affected customers forced credential resets, advised all customers to enable MFA immediately, and added detection rules for suspicious authentication patterns. This quick collaboration helped contain the breach and reduced further exposure. Affected organizations. Several high-profile organizations were affected. For example, Ticketmaster reportedly had data on 560 million users stolen. Santander Bank confirmed exposure of customers' account details and balances. LinkedIn and other customers also experienced analytics data exposure. These breaches illustrate how third-party dependencies can multiply risk. Even if Snowflake itself wasn't hacked, its customers still suffered significant data loss. Lesson learned. The Snowflake breach offers several key lessons for both organization and individual. Multi-factor authentication should be mandatory. Optional MFA creates an attack window. Credential hygiene is essential. Reuse and storage of password in browsers increases risk. Zero trust principle must extend to cloud vendors. Assume no user or device is inherently used. Employee awareness training can be prevent credentials from being stolen through malware or phishing. Each of these steps directly aligns with cybersecurity fundamentals covered in this course. Preventive measures to prevent similar incidents in future, organizations should: number 1. Enforce MFA on every account, especially privileged ones. Number 2. Applies least privileged access, only give users what they need. Number 3. Continuously monitor for suspicious logins or abnormal data transfers. Number 4. Regularly rotate credentials and audit who has access. Number 5. Encrypt sensitive data both in transit and at reset to minimize impact if stolen. These are relatively low cost, high impact security measures. Now let's begin with the conclusion. In conclusion, the Snowflake breach demonstrates that a single missing security control like MFA can expose millions of records. Even when a company with world-class security like Snowflake can be affected if customers do not follow best practices. This incident emphasizes that security is shared responsibility in cloud. The vendor must secure the platform, but customers must secure their own access and credentials. By following principles like zero trust, strong authentication, and continuous monitoring, organizations can greatly reduce the risk of such breaches. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you find it productive and informative. This was my final project for CS50 Cyber Security.